let's come back to that. I'll go with my 4. So my 4 are very similar to yours, so not in any order. Aqua Sapone is definitely in the top 5. Aqua Sapone or Domina Facanzi, because they're both very similar, but Aqua Sapone definitely is in the top 5. Carrera, definitely in the top 5 because that looks absolutely fantastic. I love all the denim. It was ahead of its time. You can't go past Mapai. Mapai is the benchmark of any cycling kit. It stood the test of time. It looks fantastic. That's 3. I honestly like my Stitch and Dart team kit, the red and yellow. That's why I wear it. That's why I wear it exclusively now. I love the Stitch and Dart, the bright red, bright yellow. It matches my kit perfectly. Another kit I love is the Sunny Deval, where the Cobra, Rico, who went positive about 52 times, used to wear, where that's like bright yellow and red, again like Stitch and Dart, I guess. Bright yellow and red, that was a fantastic kit. So that's the 4, and if I had to pick one more, that's where...
While you are thinking,
yeah, you go.
I can drop a little bomb. And having to choose one more. Actually, I will choose a surprise kit, which is the EF kit by Rafa. And why would I say that? Because Rafa is such a dull and boring company, having spread out all this boring, expensive block color clothing for years and years and years. And then finally, they actually managed to take me by surprise.
Still black bibs though, still black bibs.
And coming up with a jersey which is kind of fun, it's vibrant, and it has a lot of stuff going on, a bit like the Aqua and Sapone. So I would say cheers to you, Rafa, for this jersey. You have actually managed to make one nice jersey in 5 or 10, how many years have they existed?
15
yeah,
or something, I
yeah. You have managed to make one nice jersey. Congratulations.
Geez, for my last one, that's a real tough one. There's many I could put in there. I like Army de Terre, which is no longer around. That was a French military team that was all camouflage, all army camouflage. That was fantastic. There's a pink and silver team from many years ago called, I think it was Kaku, or I can't pronounce it. I can see the kid. That was pink and silver. That was good. Once was good. Team Telecom was good. So I'd probably put all those in.
Now
that.
You are putting too many.
Yeah, I know. I just have to put that in that
name
one.
Dropping.
Yeah, name dropping some of my
that's illegal.
Favorites. I know, but that's where I would probably go with that last pick. But the 4 I mentioned are easy, and then that last one would all be sort of all those ones combined.
Great. Thanks a lot, Lee. Thanks for the question. And I guess now it's time to wrap up this little session. Lee, will you do the honor of finishing off this little program?
I would like to take this opportunity to say thanks to HOTON again and his wonderful family for his hospitality. And I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and enjoy your day, enjoy your ride safe, and remember, when in doubt and you're going up a hill and you're feeling a bit tired and you're starting to lose the wheel, just look down at your legs and go bang and attack. And if that doesn't work, look down again and go bang, bang, because quitting is not a bloody option. Sorry, mate. Okay?
My goodness, yeah. Okay, so that's what Lee had to say. I think you did well. Anyway,
hello, mate.
If you,
one of the fans in here. Hello, buddy.
The city dog came around.
What's been the interview? Good on you, mate.
So one last thing. If any of you got any questions you'd like to ask us, or something you think we should discuss in depth, please use the commentary section below and let the Fluo Style brother tell you what's right and what's wrong. And that's everything for now. Have a good day.